Hey Stushes, welcome back to my channel. It's Nisha Marie. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have a little bit of a different video unintentionally today. So I mostly filmed this review I'm about to talk about in the short format. So it's the long way. And I don't have multiple devices to like shoot landscape, and then how do I say it? I don't have the equipment to shoot content like in this format versus like the long format, you know what I mean? So I prefer to just shoot it in the shorter format. So now I have to kind of like, what am I trying to say? So basically the review that you're about to see is going to be in the long format sort of way. And then we're gonna come back to like this way at the end, but I am reviewing the Hourglass powder and comparing it to my very much loved Charlotte Tilbury powder. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoy it. Let me know if it's like, in terms of like your viewing pleasure, like is it kind of like offsetting a little bit to have it in this way and then that way, you know, let me know. But hopefully it's not just too inconvenient, but I'm not trying to record this twice. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing if you are into makeup, fashion, beauty. We're still gonna get into other things as well, more about personal development and self-love and all that good stuff. But if you like the video, you watch all the way to the end, then you know you're supposed to subscribe. Okay, help your girl out to grow this channel. My goal is to hit 1K by the summer. This has been a goal of mine for a really long time, so if you can help me get there, that'd be amazing. So without further ado, let's get into this review. All right, y'all, so okay, I wanted to test out this new powder from Hourglass. It is the Vanish Airbrush Press Powder in Translucent Tan. Oh shit, the little powder puff fell out. But ooh, oh my god, I'm kicking the camera, Lord. Okay. So this is how it looks, and I wanted to compare it to what I wanted to compare it to my Charlotte Tilbury powder in Airbrush Finish. So this is this my new one? Yes, this is my new one. So, or pressure one, because I have a, where's my other one? Oh, this one. It's like almost done. I just want to show y'all this, like actually hitting pan on a product. Like that's how you know it's bomb. I love this. This is like hands down to me like one of the best finishing powders out there. It just brings your look together. Sometimes when I over blush, you know, there is such a thing, and you go a little bit too ham, this helps calm it down. This helps pull my lip together. And this is like what I put right under my eye after I like set and everything. So I wanted to try out this Airbrush Press powder from Hourglass. You know, they're supposed to be top notch with their powders, and see how it compares, Chad. So I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury first, and I'm gonna zoom us in a little bit. Okay, let's see. Let's see. My lips are too bright. Okay, here we go. Do you see that? Oh, alright, Charlotte Tilbury better never ever discontinue this powder. And it brings like a nice matte look. Powder down, beautiful. Okay, now let's go on with the Hourglass. Kind of spoiler alert, this isn't my first time testing it out, but this is my first time comparing the two, like on my face at the same time. So let's take this clean sponge here, run that in, and let's go. Okay, So this one is a lot more brightening. They have one more shade after this, which is tan, I believe. No, deep. No, because this is tan, yeah. So it's like a deeper one. Maybe that's the one I should have gone with, but I knew I wanted this powder specifically for under my eye. So, yeah. Okay. All right, so what do we think? Honestly, okay, then we can move closer. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and then we'll talk about it. Cut it out. Okay, so Hourglass. It just, you know, no, it doesn't do the same thing. But you know, now that I think about it, this is probably more of like a setting powder. Let's read the two descriptions on Sephora. So the Charlotte Airbrush Flawless Finish setting powder. Oh, it says setting powder. Airbrush Flawless Finish setting powder. So that's the title right there. But it's an ultra fine setting powder that blurs imperfections and visibly reduces shine. It definitely blurs imperfection and it definitely reduces the shine. So let's look at what Hourglass is saying. So for the Hourglass, oh my god, it's like sold out. Only the deepest shade is available. It's a talc-free sheer pressed powder clinically shown to instantly reduce shine for an airbrush finish that lasts all day. So, I mean, in essence, it's described kind of like as the same thing, but I just feel like the Charlotte Tilbury side just does a really great job of just really blurring those imperfections. And I like this color more on me. With this Hourglass, it's brighter. It doesn't really, it's like, it's not really doing anything like revolutionary for me, if that makes sense. Like, it's not, this is a good camera angle. The Charlotte Tilbury, it is just not, I mean, not the Charlotte, the Hourglass powder, it's not doing anything wow. Like, for what it is, I'm just not wow. Like with Charlotte, I'm wow. Like, I see a difference. What made me fall in love with the Hourglass powders was this. I bought this holiday set. It's a face kit. I mean, face, what is it called? Face, it's a face palette, I'm gonna say. So it has this like luminous setting powder, these beautiful blushes, this bronzer, this highlighter. All of these shades actually show up on me. They like work pretty well. And I love it, but it's really, I feel like Hourglass, they do something when it comes to like more illuminating powders. Is that the highlighter? Oh no, that's a ambient setting. Oh, it's a finishing powder. So this number one is actually a finishing powder. You see how this finishing powder has more like a luminosity to it. You probably can't see there, but now I'm kind of curious and I want to add it to my under eye and see where's the brush I was using. I'm just gonna use this brush right here. No, because I have the Charlotte on that one. Where is the brush I was using? I don't know. I'm just use this one. Does it have color on it? Okay, no. So I'm gonna go over this eye with this illuminating finishing powder. Oh. Well, it definitely illuminates, but it didn't really help with the blurring. But you see how it's just such a pretty powder though? It's so pretty. It's so pretty. There's a beautiful illuminating kind of look. I feel like this is what Hourglass, like this is what she's known for, you know what I'm saying? Versus this right here. I mean, I don't know. It was pretty pricey. I got a discount on it, but I'm like, I might return it. But I love that. I would even love this on top of the Charlotte here. And because I do plan on stepping out and I want my face to look a little bit balanced, I'm just gonna add some of this Hourglass on the Charlotte side, but just take her in. Really, really good powder. Just wanna add a little luminosity to this finish. Beautiful, same way. I feel like it shines a little bit more on this side. Maybe it's the light. But even on top of like the beautiful setting, blurring magic of the Charlotte Tilbury powder, this adds a nice luminosity. So those are my thoughts, child. I still look cute, I still feel cute. Not really feeling like you're missing out on anything if you don't pick up this powder, to be honest. But that's just my opinion. Thanks for watching, child. I need to head out. Bye for now. All right, so that's it for my review. What are your thoughts? Did you guys pick up the powders? They're nearly sold out. The Hourglass powders are nearly sold out. It's only the deeper shades left on Sephora. I believe today is the last day for the sale. So let me know your thoughts, and if you actually end up liking it, I don't know, I may or may not return mine. I'm like, should I finish it? Am I even gonna reach for it? I don't know, we'll see. But thank you so much for watching, and till next time, Stush babies, you know what I always tell you: stay bold, stay beautiful, and stay stush. And don't forget to watch either one of these videos. Bye.